Good morning, YouTube. This is an update on my garden, Mr. Wandering Haggis. And you remember I was in a big gardening project while the wildflowers are now up and sprouting. Probably a couple more weeks we'll get a bundle of flowers up. So it's all the wildflower seeds which I've done. I know it's been a long time making this video, but been busy getting other things done, so this is all the wildflowers growing now, guys. So this is where the spot was, where the sweet spot was by the skip was, and I've lifted all the grass. I'm in the process of paving and slabbing and putting gravel down, but the funds are not that easy to come by. So, oh look guys, I've just looked. The first time some of my flowers are actually coming up here. I do believe they're bluebells. But there's a problem sometimes. Oh, and the thistles are coming out, guys. So, looking forward to all that coming into bloom. Yeah, but you do get a problem with sticky willows and the standard dandelions coming through as well, and some thistles, but stinging nettles I mean. But yeah guys, the garden is coming on, so hope you appreciate my update. I've still got the flag up for the coronavirus, guys. Yeah, and Scotland is still in lockdown in certain sense. That we may be going camping in November, I'm not sure yet. But yeah guys, so I'll keep you updated, let you know how the flowers are doing. But this is the fruits of my labour, if you like, guys. So this is Mr. Wandering Haggis out for now, and I'll catch you probably at the weekend around about 5 PM UK time, and I'll be doing a live then. Okay guys, God bless you all and keep safe out there.